How are you? Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Boston, Massachusetts, and today we're going aboard the 2019 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. This particular boat is equipped with quad 350 Mercury Verados along with a joystick control. Stepping aboard, you'll see this boat has a beautiful dive door.
Sorry.
That's all right. And this boat has an enormous cockpit. This boat has a great cockpit seat that folds away very easily. This boat is equipped with a Gyro Stabilizer. This boat has 4 fish boxes, 2 here and 2 in front of it. Here you'll see this boat has a fantastic prep station, dual refrigerators, along with an electric grill and a freshwater sink. This here is very easy to hide away when you're done at the end of the day. 3 tackle drawers. This is also one of the great features of this boat is this transom seat here. And this seat's going to be elevated from the helm, so when you're sitting here, you can see over the driver, passenger, and see forward when you're running the boat. This is all cockpit air and heat. This boat has a sunshade you can see above head. Moving forward, you'll notice we've got 3 helm seats here. You'll notice that this one turns around as well as these 2 for if you are entertaining. This boat is equipped with 2 Raymarine 16-inch G-Series screens. Moving down into the cabin. So this cabin here, you'll notice this bed comes all the way out to where I am, and this is comfortable for 4 adults to sleep when it's in the bed position. This boat comes standard with an iPad. The iPad will control the entire boat, so you can see your water level, fuel levels. If the boat leaves when you're at home, you can see all of that and control it all from your iPad. Here at the Galley, you'll notice you've got a fresh hot and cold sink, along with another refrigerator here for a total of 3. Hideaway microwave, and a flat screen TV with optional satellite TV. Moving into the head, you'll notice we have a beautiful vacuum flush toilet, hot and cold sink with Corian countertop, and a beautiful rainforest shower above head. Coming out of the cabin, I'm going to take you up to the bow area, which is really the best feature of this 420. Here you'll see you've got great bow seating, and this seating is very versatile. You can flip this bow seat forward, and you can actually have 2 rows of seating for 6 adults, or very easily lay it back down and have a great lounging area. Forward here, you'll notice we've got a bow table with a teak inlay. This is a power table that goes all the way down to create a bed. And on the port and starboard, you've got these great little backrests so you can sit forward and rest your back. This boat has a canvas package in it, so all these cushions can be easily covered with canvas. This boat is also equipped with a full tower, you'll notice behind us, along with night vision, satellite TV, and open array radar, along with the Rupp outriggers. Again, my name is Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Boston, and we're aboard the 420 Boston Whaler Outrage. You can reach me on my cell phone anytime at 401-569-3874. Thanks and have a great day.